Today, the market as a whole is recovering. The cost of Shiba Inu is being examined. Signals are being dropped by analysts. It was halted by about 468 trillion Shiba Inu. Coinbase just took the unimaginable action. At last, it is available to everyone once again. Elon Musk intervened and made a revolutionary announcement. Additionally, this might drive up the price of Shiba Inu. What's going on? What am I even talking about anyway? Let me clarify. Welcome to Dr. Crypto, your daily serving of Shiba. This is the spot for you if you're curious about anything related to Shiba. If you want to keep informed about all the latest news forecasts and stay ahead of the crypto industry, subscribe. To get more Shib news, be sure to click the like button. Shiba Inu's day wasn't looking well. The price plummeted, down around 0% from the previous day. It's a disappointment, particularly considering that Shiba Inu was making some major statements from the developers just a few days ago. However, today, well, the mood is completely different. Many individuals are now feeling rather unsure about whether the price will continue to decline or if it will soon rise again. The misunderstanding is genuine. On the plus side, however, there was a brief recovery. Even yet, it doesn't seem very hot. Will this slump end soon, then? Time will tell. However, as one expert noted in a technical analysis, this decline might possibly be an indication of something more serious. He claims that Shiba Inu has failed to overcome a significant amount of resistance. It's not even close to it, in fact. The 26 EMA is the market's first and strongest barrier at the moment, according to the most recent price movement. The intriguing thing is that the 468 trillion Shiba Inu level, which was formerly a place where many investors were still making money, has now become a strong wall. Although it was formerly a crucial area where people could make money, it is now serving as a stiff opposition zone, making it much more difficult for Shiba Inu to begin pushing back up. Furthermore, statistics indicates that many Shiba Inu owners are now clinging on to their losses. This indicates that market confidence is beginning to decline. The failure of Shiba Inu to return to that critical level is making people lose hope. It could be difficult for Shiba Inu to bounce back and resume their activities in the absence of strong purchasing demand. To its location, we may be in for a lengthy period of sideways movement or possibly greater declines if the mood doesn't change. That $468 trillion Shiba Inu mark is being actively watched by traders. We could see some new bullish momentum if it breaks. However, if it continues to struggle at that level, things may continue to decline. In summary, Shiba Inu's inability to overcome that resistance level only demonstrates how wary traders are and how unstable the market is at the moment. One thing has remained very constant, even if some people are still unclear about Shiba Inu's future, regardless, and the community is that. It's unbelievable how dedicated they are. Additionally, it was announced today that Shiba Inu burns have increased significantly once again. Many Shiba Inu were torched in the previous 24 hours alone. Indeed, tens of millions. After being shifted to unspendable wallets, more than 44 million Shiba Inu coins were essentially taken out of circulation. Two distinct anonymous whales sent over 20 million Shiba Inu coins in the two largest burn transactions. It's rather crazy. Taking a broader view, more than 82 million Shiba Inu coins were burnt in the last week alone. In actuality, the burn rate has increased by almost 30% from the week before. Therefore, even if the market is unpredictable, the community's dedication to cutting down on supply and causing those burns is undoubtedly not going to slow down anytime soon. But wait, you may still be wondering what's going on in this situation. What caused the price to drop? Now, let's stand back and consider the wider picture. Coincidentally, Bitcoin seems to be following a similar trajectory. With its price presently hovering at 96 after plunging to the low 95 zone, Bitcoin is likewise undergoing a possible correction. Analysts are keeping a careful eye on Bitcoin to see whether it can maintain its support or continue to decline. The price of Shiba Inu will undoubtedly be impacted by whatever happens with Bitcoin. Therefore, Shiba Inu are not the only ones who suffer. It seems that the pressure is now being felt by the whole market. But wait, today, A significant event occurred that is really more significant than what is occurring at the moment. After a year away from India, Coinbase is reportedly finally making a comeback there. After a lengthy hiatus, Coinbase, one of the largest cryptocurrency exchanges in the world, is attempting to re-enter the Indian market. The same centralized exchange platform that was first launched in India in 2023 is being brought back. To support the whole activity and plan, they are collaborating with local partners this time. As part of its attempts to comply with all relevant regulatory standards, Coinbase officials are anticipated to go to India in March of next year to meet with the Financial Intelligence Unit, or FIU. Later in 2025, if they get approval, the relaunch may take place. This is undoubtedly a significant step for Coinbase and has the potential to upend the Indian cryptocurrency market. Why, therefore, is this news so significant to Shiba Inu? Let's dissect it. To begin with, data indicates that Shiba Inu is the most widely used cryptocurrency in India. It was even more well-liked than Bitcoin at one time. When you consider the prospective market in India, it is enormous. Shiba Inu stands to gain a great deal from the surge of new customers on Coinbase since the company has finally returned to the nation. Shiba Inu's price may increase as more Indians will be able to purchase, sell, and trade the breed on Coinbase. More prospective investors and holders translate into more eyeballs on the coin, which can only increase its value. That's not all, however. The fact that Coinbase is one of the largest exchangers for Shiba Inu owners, especially in the US, is another important consideration. Coinbase customers account for a large portion of Shiba Inu's trading volume. For the Shiba Inu population throughout the globe, this decision to re-enter the Indian market is significant. It creates new opportunities for development and visibility. Additionally, it may significantly improve the coin's standing in the market, particularly if Coinbase is active in expanding its user base. As you may recall from our earlier films, one expert even predicted that Shiba Inu may eventually hit $1. That seemed rather unrealistic at first, didn't it? However, it's beginning to seem less improbable with all these significant events, such as Coinbase's relaunch in India, the enormous burns we've seen, and the general enthusiasm in the community. We have often been taken aback by Shiba Inu, who consistently manage to recover or appear when we least expect it. Is this the beginning of something more significant? Perhaps. In actuality, nobody really knows. However, with all of these actions and the community's ongoing expansion, Shiba Inu may just continue to surprise us. Time will tell. And that's not all. Elon Musk is the subject of yet another significant statement that was made today. He announced on Twitter that his AI startup, XAI, will be opening its own gaming studio. This is when things start to get interesting. Web3 games may be a part of XAI's ambitions, according to one Twitter expert, which is significant for the whole industry. Who is most positioned to benefit from this, then? Shiba Inu. Why? Due to its continuous advancements in the Web3 gaming industry, which already has titles like Astronova and Shiba Eternity in production. Shiba Inu is establishing itself as a significant participant in the expanding Web3 gaming market, with its own games that seamlessly integrate into the larger ecosystem. Shiba Inu may be in a prime position to profit from all the attention surrounding Web3 games if Elon Musk begins to make inroads into this market. Shiba Inu has undoubtedly won a big battle, and this might have a big effect on how much it costs. With initiatives like Shiba Eternity and Astronova, Shiba Inu is already ahead of the game despite Elon Musk's entry into the gaming industry, particularly if Web3 games are part of the strategy. Shiba Inu's engagement in the game industry might get a lot of attention as it continues to expand. Furthermore, as everyone knows, increased demand often results from attention, which might raise prices. Now there is even more room for expansion when you include someone like Elon Musk. Musk has consistently been really optimistic about meme coins, particularly ones that are dog-themed, and he has previously shown strong support for Shiba Inu. His social media following alone has the power to greatly increase awareness of any cause he supports. Additionally, it may spark a surge of fresh interest in the community if he begins to support Web3 games like Shiba Inu's. We've seen how Musk's public remarks and tweets may cause prices to skyrocket. Additionally, it might create a whole new level of excitement if he promotes Shiba Inu's games or even brings them up in relation to his own endeavors. Shiba Inu is thus in a strong position to see not just its games take off, but also its price may be soar as a result of XAI entering the gaming industry and possibly receiving support from someone as powerful as Elon Musk. This might be an exciting moment for Shiba Inu owners due to a number of creative ventures, a developing Web3 sector, and Musk's optimistic outlook on meme currencies. However, what do you think of this? Leave a comment below. The day is over now. Remember to give it a big thumbs up. To see our most recent material, share it and subscribe to the channel.